You are probably watching this video because you want to know if this little green machine actually works, and I am here to tell you all about it.
I love everything that has to do with home and garden and helping you come up with really fun stuff like DIYs like that one that is a blackboard, or just any way that you can have fun and create really cool stuff for your home and garden that you can share with your friends and family. But I have also had a commercial cleaning business, among other things that I do. Yes, I know I'm crazy, but I wanted to share that because this review comes from a person who has been cleaning for a very long time. Bissell Little Green Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. I've been curious to figure out what is so different about this one and the one that's lime green. It does come with a little sample of Spot and Stain by Bissell. So I am testing the Bissell Spot and Stain Cleaner that comes with the little machine, but I'm also going to test it with two products. This one is an Auric product that you can get, anyone can get at the Auric company. This is a commercial cleaning product. I'm not sure how accessible it is to everybody else, but I wanted to show you a commercial grade product versus something else you can get in the market versus the Bissell. An attachment here, just one power button looks like. Nothing major, it seems super uncomplicated. This piece goes here like that. So it comes with a little screw that I'm gonna put in that little hole. Basically, to store it, you're gonna wrap around the vacuum handle, and then you're going to attach this little part in that section that we just did, secure it with this little piece, and then wrap your cord around here. This is your section for clean water, and this is your dirty water, and when it fills right here, then you need to change it. So this one has a release handle right here, and this one lifts up like this to put my water up to here, and it tells me exactly where to do it. Where you would put your formula, and then this is what would be water. So I'm out in the garden all the time, and then I will come in here and I will get these dirty, and then I will also come into the house and I will get that dirty, and I will have dirt all over. So there's a lot of dirt that needs to be cleaned around here. The Bissell cleaner that came with the machine was perfect for this application. Totally worked. By my bed, I have this little bench, and I have it covered, and it is so dirty that I did not want to show it to anybody. I don't want anybody to see what's underneath because it's so dirty. So I put this little green machine to the test with this, and I made an Instagram reel that I'm going to show you here because this was pretty cool. For this, I did spray it with some Shout, and then I did use the Auric product because I did start to find out over time that this Auric product was superior to the Bissell one. Wow, isn't that disgusting? Look at this. Look at the difference of the left and the right side where it was tested and when nothing was done. That is crazy. If you have decided that you need a little green machine in your life because it's going to help you keep everything you love clean, then I would love for you to use the link in the description below to order it. Anytime that you order from the links of your favorite creators, you're actually supporting them. That doesn't mean it's going to cost you anything, so it's a win-win for everybody. This sofa back here was cleaned with the little green machine. I honestly cannot tell the difference. So that cushion right here, this one, that was cleaned with a little green, and it looks exactly like the other one, and I know it's very dirty. Now some dirt came out, and I only used Dawn dish soap with water because this is crayon fabric. So you cannot use any product on certain fabrics. You have to be careful when you have fabrics that are protected for like spills. There's special fabrics that have an additional coat. You should not be using just any product. So if you have one of these fancy sofas with fabric like mine that is crayon or other kinds of fabrics like that when you like spill, you can just clean it up real quick. It doesn't really permeate. Please be careful. Do not just use any of these products that I have shown you. Look that up. I'm probably going to need to make another video when I figure out what product I'm going to use for these. It's the machine plus the cleaner that's going to make the big difference for you, depending on what you're cleaning.
This chair used to have a pretty visible stain right there. You can barely see it right now. And by what the machine showed, this was disgusting. So you may think it's not that bad, but it might be really bad. I want you to also look, this is where I have the cord extension, or the cord, I guess. And this is where the machine is. So it's pretty long cord. I mean, I didn't need to do that far, but I wanted to show you how far it can go. Yeah, well, something's definitely happening. You can see that this really works. Now, for a job like this, it probably requires an upright, but you can see for testing purposes where I stopped cleaning and that it really does work. Wow, there's a difference. Another way that you can support your favorite creators is when you love a video, then just give it that thumbs up. If you do, I would really appreciate it. Thank you. So back to these three products. This one is okay. It does the job. It actually did pull out a lot of dirt from the carpet. It pulled out a lot of dirt from the chair, etc. But when I wanted superior cleaning, I did go with the Auric product. That's just my preference. I don't know if anybody else has tried this product, but it is phenomenal. And you can get this at the Auric store. And this is the commercial cleaning one. To be honest, these two were probably on the same level. So if I have to pick one of these as a winner, I'm gonna go with this. And that's a wrap. That's my review. So if you like everything that has to do with home and garden, there's bound to be something on my playlist that you love. If you wanna watch how I made this blackboard, I will link that in the description, and then just go to the playlist that you think you like, either gardening or DIYs or whatever floats your boat that has to do with home and garden. I'm there for you. Because remember guys, you can create bliss at home and in the garden. See you next time.